Hey, so we're now in Universal Studios and we're going to eat our lunch. We ordered clay pot chicken rice and the much awaited laksa.
Is this spicy? Is this spicy?
The laksa costs about $9 and the chicken clay pot costs $13. So all in all, $32. So it's a little spicy. So do not indicate it there. Do not put it there if you don't want spicy. So we are now going to eat. So since we ordered the chicken plate, so we're going to eat it like this. So chicken, of course, since it's clay pot, chicken clay pot, you put chicken. And rice. So laksa is over there. Let's taste the soup. So laksa is a local cuisine here in Singapore. A must try if you're here. So the soup broth. Let's try this one out. Oh, there's a bit of sting. It's a bit spicy. But it's really delicious. And this
are so good.
noodles, so the chicken rice. We taste the rice first. It's so delicious. Delicioso.
Let me try this little bit. Yeah. Let's try the chicken rice.
We're going to eat it first. See you in a bit. And that's it, guys.
And we're not hungry at all. And we don't like the food.
Ika nga, in the Philippines, that's what you call taog plato.
Busog.
Busog. So, food is great. Authentic.
It's so spicy.
It's really good. You should try the clay pot chicken rice. And of course, do not ever forget that laksa
This life in Singapore.
is a must try here in Singapore. So, we're off to our next destination.
Adventure?
Our next itinerary. It will be a surprise. Just keep following us here at our YouTube channel if you want to see more of our many adventures.
Please subscribe, everyone. Enjoy.
And don't forget to hit the like button. Give us a heart in our different social media pages. See you later. So guys, these are the ways to order, no? So you have option 1, you proceed to the nearest kiosk to place an order via a cash register. Option 2 is scan the QR code to place an order to the online ordering system via cash register. And option 3 is proceed to the central cashier to place the order. So we opted for option 3 because we used our credit card. And just wait for here for the collection or the number of your order. So guys, after eating, make sure you return your trays to the designated. Please return your trays here. Okay. So it's clean as you go here in Universal Studios.